We're making sweet tea. Now, let's see your thing to put sugar in with. And that ain't going to cut it.
Yes, it is.
We're going to make southern sweet tea. That's not going to cut it. So here, I'll show you how we do it. Look. There's no mad science to it. You just take the bag and no. You just start pouring the sugar in. Hold on, just keep pouring. Okay. Now that's a lot of sugar, so let's stir it. Why this light's on? But it is. Okay. You're like a witch making witch's brew. Let's see.
You think it's like
double boiling trouble.
You think it's like drinking?
I know, sir. Make sure you don't hear any sugar at the bottom. Okay. You gotta stir until you don't hear any more like little things in the bottom, like sound like sand.
Yeah, I hear the sand still.
Okay, keep stirring.
Do you think it's warm
enough
to melt it?
Try a little bit on the spoon. Not that one. And if it's sweet enough, you should be able to tell. It'll taste good. That was like the longest sip ever.
It's hot. I can't tell. Don't laugh at me. These are techniques here. You try it.
You gotta tell me if it's sweet enough. You're the one be drinking it.
It tastes good.
Well, if it tastes good, that is good. I'm good.
Oh.
No, not quite enough sugar yet.
You couldn't really tell.
Okay. Because remember, we're going to put ice in it. Alright, now, try that. You know you about got it right when you can't put any more sugar in. When you're stirring it and the sugar is not mixing in anymore, that's when you about hit it right. It's called super saturation, but to keep it simple, it's when you got so much sugar in there and the water can't hold it anymore. And it just floats to the bottom. It's a nice stirring technique you got there. Yeah, sounds good. Alright, try it again. Yes, everybody on Facebook or whatever land, this is probably not COVID approved. She double dipped, but better.
Too sweet or
that's nice and sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, now that's it. Now we just pour it in a jug and get some ice. Got sweet tea. And the right stubs.
I think we might
buddy.
funnel.
Yeah. Good boy.